Hey guys, Steven here, and today on the channel, I'm bringing you guys my first video that's by myself. I'm bringing you guys the Lego Star Wars set called Anakin's Jedi Fighter, set number 75214, which includes 247 pieces and is recommended for ages 7 to 12. On the back, it has some features that come with the set. And the two minifigures that are included in the set are Anakin Skywalker and R2-D2. I'm going to be doing not a stop motion, a sped up version, a time lapse of me building the set. So if you guys enjoy, drop a like and peace out. Okay guys, that's the set. Anakin Skywalker's Starfighter. Forgot the name for a second. It's really cool. It has R2-D2 in the front. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you're new for more content all the time. We post once a week, so yeah.